Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye makeup look right here. It is super colorful. It is super something I haven't done in a long time. I have been posting only neutral looks. I mean, I looked back at my videos that I've posted recently and I'm like, neutral, 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 oh base, neutral, neutral, oh Bollywood. And I was just like, it's time to do something super colorful. So I decided not to pick just one color, but I decided to pick like 4 or 5 colors right here. And I have loved how this look turned out. So let's get right into it. As always, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And also do follow me on Instagram if you don't. My handle is right here. I do post a lot of videos, tutorials, mini skincare tips, masking and this and that, and a lot of it basically on there. So definitely do follow me on there on Instagram, and let's start. So I'm going to start off with that lightest pink shade from the Electric palette. For this entire look, I have used the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm just using a MAC 224 and applying that pink, really intensifying that shade layer by layer into my crease and a little above my crease. As you can see, I'm also kind of bringing it down, creating that outer V sort of a point. And I'm also bringing it down onto my outer lid. Next, taking that purple pink shade with a smaller tapered brush, I'm just going to apply that into my crease and on my outer V as well. Once I'm happy enough with the intensity, then I'm going to kind of move on to the purple shade. I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye. And like you can see, it is taking a little bit of layering to help to really build that shade up. So which is what I'm doing. I'm building it on layer by layer to increase the intensity. Moving on, I'm taking that cobalt blue color and I'm just going to apply it right where I have finished that purple shade on my eyelid, right to the center of my eyelid. And after which I'm just going to once again layer by layer intensify the color, after which I'm just going to kind of blend both the colors together. So this look requires a lot of blending. Like you can see, it does require that you build the color on very well and then you kind of blend both the shades together. Moving on, taking the lighter blue shade, I'm just going to apply it just on the edge of that cobalt blue shade that we applied. Once again, building the color on layer by layer and then kind of just blending all the colors in together. So you want to make sure that you really are patient with this look, really take your time to kind of blend those colors together, even if you have to work really fast with it. Moving on, I am using this green shade to apply it from the inner corner of my eye till that blue where we applied. This one's a beautiful shimmer color. The rest of the colors were all matte up until now except for the purple. Just going to apply that and blend everything together like you can see. Next, moving on, I'm using this. It's like a holographic glitter with Lit Cosmetics glitter glue. And I'm just going to first apply the glue all over my eyes where I want to apply the glitter. And then kind of start to place the glitter. I want to place the glitter only on the green that I have applied. I'm using the Absolute Shine Line liquid eyeliner in black and I'm just going to create a winged liner with this eyeliner. Be careful to create the wing. You can go as thick or thin as you want. You want to kind of keep it midway with this look because you don't want it to be very thin, nor do you want it to be very thick. It'll cover everything up. Moving on, I'm using the NYX Collection Noir Kohl Kajal pencil. I did go ahead and complete my base of camera. I'm going to use this pencil to tightline my upper and lower waterline. So once you're done really darkly tightlining, you want to go ahead and just take a blending brush and smudge that out, create a nice smoked out effect using that Kajal pencil itself and no color on it. Once you're done, then I'm just going to take that green and kind of apply it from the inner corner of my eye till about where I've applied it exactly on top. Taking the purple, I'm going to be applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid, exactly again, once again, where I have applied it till the top. And finally taking that blue and blending both the green and the purple together with that blue color on the center of my lower lid. I'm just taking some more of that glitter with the glitter glue and applying it to where I have applied the green on the lower part of my eye and on the inner corner as well. Finally, taking my MAC Zoom Lash Mascara, I'm just going to apply that to my lashes, give it a good 3 or 4 coats of mascara and ensure all of that fallout is cleared off. After which I'm moving on and applying the PAC M73 lashes. These are really fluttery lashes, so I'm just going to apply that. They're tapered towards the inside and really go nice and fluttery on the outside. So once I'm done, and I just finished off with my lip shade, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We're done. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.